Introducing our stuffed tomatoes. The ingredients are 6 tomatoes, 1 medium can tuna, 15 grams breadcrumbs, 1 clove garlic, 1 teaspoon basil, 40 grams butter, 30 grams shredded cheese, small amount of parsley, 1/3 teaspoon salt, dash of pepper. Melt the butter by pressing microwave 200 watt and key in 2 minutes. Cut the tops off the tomatoes and remove the stems. Remove the seeds and turn upside down to get rid of any remaining juices. Combine the tuna, breadcrumbs, garlic, and basil in a bowl and mix well. Add salt and pepper. Fill the hollow tomatoes with the mixture and top it with melted butter and cheese. Cover the metal tray with aluminum foil and place the tomatoes on it. Remove the ceramic tray. Insert the metal tray into the middle rack. Press oven, 1 level, 230 degrees Celsius. 20 to 25 minutes. Preheat no to cook.